Hey guys, John here. Finally, we get to see the 2024 Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter. So hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. I'm beyond pumped to finally show you guys the 2024 Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter. So in this video, we are gonna go all around the outside. I wanna show you some of the very cool features of this overland-ready vehicle that you can get directly from Toyota. Then we'll also go on into the beautiful new interior of this 4th generation Tacoma. Let me know down in the comments your initial thoughts of it. This is my first time seeing it. It looks awesome. Let's go ahead and start with the front end. So we have a heritage style grille. You have a 2 times brighter light bar than Tundra under Toyota in bronze right there. Full 360 camera view. Toyota's put the radar sensor right under here, so it's no longer in the grille. It is part of the bumper now. And then we have rigid fog lights down here. These ones are very, very cool because you're able to have them at either an amber color or you can have them as white light. And then looking a little bit more under the Tacoma, we have a Trailhunter skid plate on this one. Looking at the headlights now, we have a projector style headlight with Trailhunter right here that we saw from the leak. These grills are covered up, unlike the Tundra where you could have airflow right through them. The Trailhunter and the TRD Pro will have this kind of little notch in the front bumper for approach angle and departure angles. And also, Toyota couldn't confirm this, right? But for bigger tires. So these tires are Goodyear Territory RTs. They're very close to a 33-inch tire. These ones are 265/70 R18, so like a 32.6-ish if you do tire math. So very, very close to a 33-inch tire coming standard on this Trailhunter. But you could see the room right here. So if you elect to potentially put bigger tires, you can see that it's cut out right here pretty good. So you wouldn't have to trim this. Nice felt liner right up in here too. So we're no longer dealing with some plastic. You're taking a look at the upper control arm. So this is a collaboration with Old Man Emu and ARB, this whole truck. So we have Trailhunter specific billet aluminum upper control arms, Old Man Emu suspension up front too. And the reason for this is because this truck actually sits 3 inches wider. It has a 3-inch wider track on this one than like a standard SR5. So pushes the front wheels out. And so to help properly align that, got some specialty upper control arm. What do you guys think of these bronze wheels? They are very unique for sure. Looking down the side of the truck, we have the iForce Max badge right here. This beautiful bronze oxide color. What do you guys think about this color? Looks really nice. So this is based on a double cab with a full 6-foot bed. So for overlanding, depending on your trails that you go on, right? This will be really, really good. You could put a lot of gear in it. Rock sliders on this truck, bolted up to the frame, it looks like. Yep, bolted straight up to the frame, so that's definitely proper. Fully boxed frame, because it is based on the TNGF platform. We have our optional roof rack. Nice little crossbars here. This one's showing a moonroof on the prototype. The production models will not have a moonroof on the Trailhunter. And we have like 3 shark fins here. I need to ask them what that's about. So the roof rack will be optional, but the rest of the stuff is going to be standard on this truck. So we have Molly panel, kind of like headache rack here. You can get a full bed rack from it. It's ARB. And then check this out. It's pretty cool in the bed rails. We have like scene lights right here. So this is a light, and over there, that is a light to kind of cast light down here while you're camping. Go ahead and take a look at the bed now. Very, very cool, guys. So they have the same button that Tundra has on this side and on the passenger side, but check this out. Automatic lowering tailgate on a Tacoma. We have the same, we have an inverter on this one too, but this one's so much better, 2,400 watts with the iForce Max. Standard storage over here, optional compressor over here, 6-foot composite bed. And then if you want to raise it, you can press that same button to raise it, or an automatic lifting rear tailgate too on a freaking Tacoma. Very awesome. So we have an ARB high clearance rear bumper, right? Recovery hooks back here as well. Receiver right there. All of our sensors on it too. Very nice side profile of it. And then taking a look at the Old Man Emu suspension flexed out with this multi-link rear end. Very sweet. All right, let's go ahead on into the inside of the Tacoma now. All right, going on into the inside now, the Trailhunter. Beautiful, awesome interior, soft touch all right here. We have Trailhunter badge right down here. Very nice. Molly panels too. Toyota went all the way with this one. Grab handle here to close it up. Soft touch all up top. The accents continue here. We have a 12.3-inch screen, infotainment screen, a huge 14-inch multimedia screen. Very nice interior on this one. Automatic seats. We'll go ahead and sit in it. Oh yeah, this one feels way better to sit in. So this isn't a first drive event, but this is very, very nice to sit in now. Wow, that is comfortable. So taking a look at some of the features here, we have 3 aux options here too, where you can pre-wire stuff in. We have the light bar up front, our dual fog lights for amber and white light, our traction control off, some of those buttons over there. And then coming over here, heated ventilated seats, nice kind of aluminum look, heated steering wheel. Here's all of our mode selectors down here. We have a rear locker, our front sway bar disconnect, nice grab handle for the passenger, 2 USB-Cs, we have a wireless charger, the 14-inch screen, which has a USB-C over here on the side of it. Nice shelf right here, Toyota all spelt out. Our glove box, that's like leather wrap too. Guys, the interior of the Tacoma is super freaking nice. Nice cup holder, this one has a console safe in it. Same kind of key as the Tundra. All right, and then we will sit in the back seat real quick. Nice grab handle to get into. Coming on in, you do kind of hit your head a little bit right here. I wish this was carved out a little bit more, but this part to sit in is nice. And that was a pretty good driving position for me. And I actually have quite a bit of leg room back here in the Trailhunter. So we only got a couple minutes with this truck, unfortunately, guys. More content to come, but if you liked this and you want to see more Tacoma content on this channel, definitely subscribe. So I appreciate you guys watching, and I will catch you all in the next one.